Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to use the Monopoly Go airplane mode glitch for free dice rolls. Okay, let's get started. So, you might be wondering, does this glitch actually give you free dice? Not exactly. What it does is let you predict your dice rolls, but since it's a glitch, remember it's not supposed to be in the game. Developers are constantly trying to remove it. Here's how it works. Right now, my token is sitting here on the board. Let's do a normal roll first. We rolled a 1. Now, with a multiplier set, I'm using X20. We'll switch to airplane mode and start recording what happens. Once airplane mode is on, we roll again. First roll, 6. We claim the reward. Roll again, 3. Then we roll one more time and get a shutdown. That's 3 predictable rolls before the no internet error pops up. Now, when you get the no internet message, you'll need to clear Monopoly Go's app data. Hold the app, tap the info icon, then go to clear data, clear all data, and confirm. After that, turn airplane mode off and log back in. Once you're back in the game, you'll be at the same starting spot. Now, watch this. With the same multiplier, we roll again and get the exact same sequence. 6, then 3, then shutdown. That's the core of the glitch. But here's a twist. If you change your multiplier, say from X20 to X10, the sequence of rolls changes. That means you can manipulate what dice results you'll land on. So technically, you're not getting free dice, but you're able to control and predict rolls. This can help you avoid bad outcomes or target rewards. Just remember, as of now, you only get about 1 to 3 rolls before the glitch stops you with the internet error. One more important warning. If you repeat this too often, the game will flag you. You'll see a login warning saying, "For security reasons, logins per 24 hours are limited." Ignore that, and your account could be blocked or deleted. So yes, the airplane mode glitch still works, and you can use it to predict dice rolls. But don't abuse it. Remember, it's a glitch, not meant to be in the game. My advice? Play for fun. Don't stress about exploiting tricks. That's it for today's tutorial. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and check out the next video. Thanks for watching.